everyone. It's day 314 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird of the day is the common yellowthroat. In summer, male common yellowthroats can sing up to 125 times an hour, and some have even been recorded singing up to 300 times an hour. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, do we find our bird of the day?